Team Bagel welcomes you to Vanguard University of Southern California, where the caf isn't as great as the people. Instead of going to the dining commons, it isn't unusual to visit the Cove for a more enjoyable snack. Let's follow Jessica as she makes this wise choice to buy dinner from the Cove. She's going to make a delicious meal of Bagel Bites within 10 minutes and show everyone how this is done. Let's watch as she examines the fridge to choose her preferred kind of bagel bite. Ah, look, she's decided on the pepperoni and cheese. A delightful choice. Now, she will make her purchase of the Bagel Bites. And she's going to go back into her room and engage in this life-changing experience. Now we come to the dorm rooms, just a minute excursion from the Cove. This is just an ordinary room, nothing special, other than the Here in this ordinary room, we have a microwave, not a stove, not an oven, not even a toaster, but a microwave. First, Jessica carefully opens the box, remembering to put the trash in the trash can. She then slowly slides the wrapped bagels out of the box, setting the box in the microwave. The plastic around it must be taken off and thrown away, of course. She then places the bagel bites that are now on the browning tray and will cook to perfection on top of the cardboard box in the microwave. She then gracefully presses the buttons for a cook time of 3 minutes and 30 seconds. After the timer is up, she then excitedly goes over to the microwave and opens the door. She then takes them out and sets them down for a place to cool for approximately 1 minute. The only thing left to do is sit down, turn on the TV, and enjoy.